Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Sharifah Nurin Shakirah Binti Syed. So today I'm going to present my Bio 150 case study, and the title is As Thomas Turns. So let's start first with problem statement. Right now, people can buy enzymes capsules from any food health and vitamin store, especially for those who are having a digestive problems and the elderly people, because when we are aging, the production of enzymes will decrease rapidly. That is why, in order to provide extra amylase and other important digestive enzymes such as protease, lipids, and so on, we need to consume enzyme capsules. The introduction. An enzyme is a type of protein that catalyzes chemical reactions and speeding up the rate of a chemical reaction. That's why the enzyme called as catalyst, because it speeds up the chemical reaction. Our body's enzymes aid in the completion of critical tasks, and the function of an enzyme is determined by its shape. Enzymes can be damaged and changed by heat, disease, or harsh chemical conditions. So this kind of things has an impact of the body processes that the enzyme supported. The body produces enzymes on its own. For example, enzymes are necessary for proper digestive system function. The pancreas, stomach, and small intestine produce the majority of digestive enzymes. Even while we are chewing, our salivary glands produce digestive enzymes to begin breaking down food molecules. That is mean our digestion process starts when we are chewing our food. If we are having digestive issues, we can also take enzymes in pill form. This is because once we start aging, we may start to see some changes in our digestive health that can lead to a risk factor for several problems such as acid reflux and colon cancer. This is due in part to the fact that our stomach produces less acid as we age. That is why medical difficulties such as diverticular disease or colon cancer can occur in the elderly. What means by digestive aid? Digestive aids are a type of supplement that contains ingredients that help break down our food more effectively, eliminating bothersome symptoms like gas and bloating, while also assisting our body in utilizing more of the nutrients in the food we eat. So we need to know there are two basic categories of digestive aids. First, there are digestive enzymes which supplement the stomach acids already present in our bodies. Second is there are digestive aids that are derived from food. For example, from food, milk, dairy products, and so on. Okay, we go to first question. How do enzymes work? Firstly, the enzyme and the substrate are both present in the same space. In some cases, the enzyme will change more than one substrate molecule. Secondly, the active site of the enzyme holds the substrate. That is mean when the substrate binds to the active site of enzyme, the active site will hold the substrate. Thirdly, catalysis process occurs where the substrate is changed and it could be broken down or combined with another molecule to form a new molecule. It has the ability to break or form chemical bonds, and finally, we will have a complex of enzymes and products. Lastly, the product is released by the enzyme. When we let go of the enzyme, it returns to its original shape. It is then ready to work on another substrate molecule. The digestive process begins in the mouth when we are chewing the food, where digestive enzymes begin working on carbohydrates and fats, while proteins are broken down by stomach enzymes. That is mean the digestion of proteins begins in the stomach parts. The pancreas and small intestine continuing to break down proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. The duodenum, which is the first segment of the small intestine, completes digestion before sending food waste to the last receiver, which is large intestine, or also well known as colon. We go to the second question. What enzymes are in those digestive aids? Animal-derived enzymes are found in many digestive and systemic enzyme supplements on the market today. Pepsin, pancreatin, and trypsin are examples of animal enzymes. Plant or microbial sources are used to create these vegetarian enzymes. Bromelain and papain, which come from pineapple and papaya respectively, respectively are the two most commonly used plant-derived enzymes. Bromelain is a type of enzyme that help to digest proteins, while papain help to deconstruct proteins into their constituent parts, which is amino acid. There is also lactase, which is essential to the complete digestion of whole milk and breaks down lactose. These are the multiple enzymes in digestive aids, including amylase and lipase. So we know that amylase helps in break down carbohydrates, while lipase help in break down fats into glycerol and fatty acids. The third question, are they the same as our digestive enzymes? Will be effective? Yes, since the products designed to copy the effects of naturally occurring digestive enzymes found within our bodies that aid in breaking down and absorbing foods. However, clinical evidence indicates they are ineffective in reducing gas and bloating. According to the findings, they are only effective for certain medical conditions. They are also must be taken at correct time or before we eat, or otherwise it may be completely ineffective. The fourth question, how digestive enzyme affected when people having high fever? Higher temperature distort the shape of the active site, reducing or eliminating its activity. The enzyme will have become denatured. The enzyme will change shape, including its active site, and the substrate will no longer feed, and the reaction will be affected or will be stopped. The structure of enzymes breaks down when we have a fever, since our temperature rises too high until they are no longer functional. For example, the enzyme responsible for starch digestion in saliva is deactivated at temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius due to it has a denatured state. That is why it is important for us to restore back our normal temperature, which is at 37 degrees Celsius. The fifth question, does enzyme decrease as our age increase? Discuss. Yes, the enzyme decrease as our age increase. This is because the walls of the small intestine atrophy, getting smaller with increasing age. This changes the shape of the villi and decreases the surface area across which absorption takes place. Along with atrophy, there is a decrease in digestive enzyme production. The stomach mucous membrane also getting smaller with increasing age, resulting in lower levels of mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive enzymes. The last one is the conclusion. So we can conclude that digestive enzymes accelerate the breakdown of food molecules into their building block components. Digestive enzymes are very important to our health, especially in digestion parts. But if our natural digestive enzymes does not work properly due to the health problem, we can take an alternative to consume digestive aid in capsule or in pill or liquid form, referring to doctor's prescription. This is because digestive aid helps in break down our food more effectively, reducing symptoms like gas and bloating, while also helping our bodies absorb more nutrients from the food we eat. So these are the references that I've been refer from. So that's all for me. Thank you.